Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company, and we are offering for sale a beautiful either Z1, H1, or H2 front wheel. If you come over here, it's stamped 5A, which would mean that it's for 1975. It was made in the first month of 1975. These are new old stock spokes. Powder coated hub, new bearings, and the rim is perfect. Beautiful wheel, absolute beautiful wheel. And we will be selling this wheel on our webpage. Very, very, very nice condition. Okay, well, thanks for looking at our stuff, and this will make any restoration a great piece, or this would be great for a nice everyday rider, to say the least. Very nice stuff. Thanks.